In this video, I will go over the code contained in the game controller script. This script is used by the game controller object to control the time and score of the game. The first aspect of note is the inclusion of tmpro at the beginning of the file. The other inclusions are done by Unity, but this one is done by us and is used to control text. Looking further down, we can see the game controller class. This has multiple variables, including the score, final time, time text, score text, and running variable. If you notice, you'll see that some of these variables have the static label. This means that no matter how many objects I attach this script to, that variable has the same value for all of them. This also allows us to easily grab the static variable using other objects. The other thing you'll notice is that some variables are public, while others are private. Public variables can be used by other objects and can be assigned in the Inspector tab, whereas private variables cannot. As you can see, we assign the public variables for time text and score text in the Inspector window. Going further down, we see the start function. This is run once when the object is first activated, and all this does is set the score and the final time to 0. Next, you'll see the update function. This happens every single frame and is useful for making events happen repeatedly. This is where we control the time for the game. We update the time and score text with the current time and score of the game. Once the player reaches 10 score, we display their final time. And that's it for this script. It's pretty small, but it does a lot of important things.